have lots of branches and things that I need to cut, as you can see here, that are coming over the fence here. So lots of work ahead of me to get all of this cleared up and taken care of. I've never used a pruning saw. This is going to be my first time, but I'm super excited to give it a shot. One of the great things I love about this saw is the safety feature. It will not activate, as you can see, unless I push this button. Wow. Did you see that? I did not expect it to come off that quickly. Now, this wasn't a very thick branch, but still super quick and easy. Well, that was quick, easy, and fun. This 24-volt 𝐓𝐢 pruning saw is quite the little beast. The branches I cut were only about 2 inches, but per 𝐓𝐢, it can cut up to 4.5-inch wide branches. Maintenance of that area over by the fence just got a whole lot easier for me.